If you want to know how I hack the YouTube algorithm to get subscribers and thousands of views per day from a single video, then be sure to stick around until the end. What's going on? My name is Devin, helping you build your online presence, and today we're going to be talking about how you can hack the YouTube algorithm just like me. But if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button. There's a new video every single Sunday showing you how you can grow on YouTube. So 2 months ago, I uploaded a video on how you could remove the watermark for free in the KineMaster video editing app. And that has become my most popular video ever, and it's gotten over 16,000 views at the time of this recording, and it's definitely on track to keep getting thousands of views every single day. In the 2 months that this video has been uploaded, I've gained more subscribers on the channel than I have in the previous 12 months before it was uploaded. Today I'm going to talk about exactly how I got that video to trigger the algorithm to help me grow my channel, and how you can do the exact same thing with a video on your channel. So first thing we're going to be talking about is watch time. Now, if you don't know what watch time already is, it's a crucial part of the YouTube algorithm that you have to get people to actually watch your videos. You can't just get them to click and you get a view. You have to get them to stay and watch and accumulate minutes on your videos. So it's better to make longer videos, make videos that are going to keep people watching for a long time, because if you can do that, then you're going to get lots of watch time. So with watch time playing a key important role in the YouTube algorithm, it's no surprise that my video that has the most views on my channel has the second most amount of watch time, and that's only behind another video that's 48 minutes long. The video that's got the most views is only 5 minutes long, and it gets watched about 40% of the time, which is really good compared to other people's watch time. So if you can get people to watch for an average of around, let's say, 2 minutes on your video, or even higher, if you can get higher, that's great too, then you should be able to grow a lot more. So make sure you're keeping people engaged on your videos so they watch longer and you get more watch time. So now let's talk about SEO. So SEO stands for search engine optimization, and this video is perfect for SEO. It has 10 tag search terms that are #1 in ranking in search. So for instance, you take just one of those 10 tags and you search for it, you're always going to find that video at the top of searches. And 90% of this video's traffic is actually from search. So it's a big key role in giving me views for that single video. Besides those 10 tags that are ranking #1, the rest of the tags are actually ranking #2, which is another key thing, that all my tags are ranking 1 or 2 to help me get lots and lots of views on that video. So here's some key ways that I made this video optimized with SEO. First, I made the title tag and description match each other. If you look in the title tag and description of that video, you'll see that it has KineMaster and how to remove a watermark and free in 2018, things like that. They all reoccur multiple times in those titles, tags, and description that help it rank initially. Plus, I've made the KineMaster editing tutorial a weekly series now on the channel that comes out every single Wednesday, so I've been making a large playlist that connect all these videos together. And together, this series gains a lot of views, and together, because of this, I'm getting lots of subscribers that are subscribing just to watch those KineMaster videos. And also that watch time we talked about earlier, that's very important in ranking in search, because that's mostly how it's sorted by relevancy and how much watch time a video has. And with my video ranking on all these search terms, it's going to get lots of views, bring in more people that are going to check out the video and possibly subscribe. And speaking of subscribers, let's talk about them now. So you remember earlier in the video how I mentioned all those subscribers that I've gotten in the past 2 months? Well, half of those subscribers I've gained have actually came straight from that individual video's watch page. That means people who were watching that video click subscribe while watching that video. And this video itself probably even brought in more subscribers, because lots of people will actually click on the channel first and go to the channel to subscribe, or they may check out a couple more videos first before they subscribe. But for the most part, that single video has been my anchor to get these subscribers so far. And if you're one of those subscribers that came from that video, thanks for sticking around and watching all the videos on the channel. And finally, one other thing I wanted to talk about is the thumbnail. If you look at this thumbnail, I've got the keyword in the thumbnail too, the KineMaster remove watermark. It's right there in the thumbnail. And it's very bold. It can be seen on mobile devices and on everything from laptops to TVs. So you want to make a thumbnail that has big bold letters that state exactly what you want to do. Don't clutter it up as much. I kind of actually cluttered this one up. I'm surprised it actually did so well because I considered it a average thumbnail, not a top tier thumbnail, but not a below average that I can sometimes make. Not only did it have those big bold letters, it has my face on it, which I put in every single one of my videos, which makes all the videos connect to each other, where people watch one video and they say, oh hey, he's in this video too because his picture's in the thumbnail. I'm gonna click on that one and watch that one. And that connects them to help them watch more videos. But also with a face in your videos, in your thumbnails, people are gonna see that there's a human behind this, that they're gonna be able to connect easier and make them want to click your videos more. More thumbnails get clicked because there's people in them than the thumbnails that don't have people in them. And also, it's very clear on what I want to do. It has the actual watermark in the thumbnail X'd out. That's exactly what people are looking for. They've seen that watermark and they've wanted to go figure out how to remove that, so they go to YouTube and see that watermark X'd out in the thumbnail. They're going to want to click on that thumbnail. And those are just some of the tips I have to hack this thing we call the algorithm. You can check out a YouTube card right now which will take you to a video describing more about the algorithm, and also be sure to watch till the end of this video for a playlist specifically designed to help you understand how you can work with the algorithm to make yourself a better viewed channel. Shout out to Extra Magic, who thanked me for making an easy to follow video that was very clear and easy to understand. And if you want to get a shout out just like Extra Magic, all you have to do is click that subscribe button, go down in the comments and tell me you subscribed and what you liked about the video, and I'll shout you out in a video. Just keep in mind, telling me multiple times you subscribe could get you eliminated from being shouted out. But if you want to grow your YouTube channel, all you have to do is click that subscribe button and make sure to click that playlist to learn how you can use the algorithm to your advantage. I want to thank you for watching until the very end of this video, and I'll see you in the next video.